welcome back to Googie's Kitchen, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name is Alexis, and during the month of December, to help you with the festive season, I'm going to be posting 4 times a week on a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday at 7 AM. So if you love recipe videos like this one and you want to see more, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you how to make my delicious roast chicken wrapped in Parma ham with garlic and rosemary butter. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you how to make my delicious roast chicken wrapped in Parma ham with garlic and rosemary butter. Now this dish is really easy to make, and I thought this would be a brilliant dish, especially during the festive season. If you are only having a few people to dinner, or it's only 2 of you, and you don't fancy the faff of making a huge great turkey or a huge great chicken, then this I think is a brilliant alternative. My husband, son and I are going to be having this for our lunch today, and of course while I was making it I thought I'd share the recipe with you. So here is how to make my delicious roast chicken wrapped in Parma ham with garlic and rosemary butter. My oven is already preheated to about 200 degrees, and the reason is I've already got vegetables cooking in there for the roast dinner. I've got some honey roast parsnips and some honey roast carrots, and the recipe for that I will link in the description box below for you, and I think I've done a video on those as well, so I'll link that down below too, in the description box that is. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare my chicken. So I've got some butter here, so I'm just going to put some big chunks of butter into the chicken. Don't worry about the calories, it's Christmas, so we're all allowed to overeat and overindulge, I promise you. And then I've got some garlic that I've just peeled, sliced and diced, and I'm just going to put that inside the chicken. And then I've got some rosemary sprigs here that I've picked from my garden. Quite lucky I have a rosemary bush growing in the garden, so I just went out and picked it. You can buy this in our local supermarket. I'm sure you can get it in most supermarkets as well. So yes, I'm just going to add that, but if you can't get it, then I would suggest you just use a bit of dried, so maybe a teaspoon of dried in each. So I butterflied the chicken before I put all the ingredients in, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into my baking tray. I tell a lie, I'm not going to put it in my baking tray, I'm going to wrap it in the Parma ham. I've got prosecuted ham here, prosciutto ham. If you can't get Parma ham then you can use prosciutto. I call it prosecuted, I'm sorry, I probably shouldn't, but I do find it quite amusing. So yes, I'm going to wrap that in the prosciutto ham, and then I'm definitely going to put it into my baking tray. So I'm going to go and get my baking tray now. I'm also going to cook my potatoes at the same time as I cook my chicken. I'm using my Pampered Chef stoneware today. If you've heard me talk about this before, you'll know how much I really like it. Basically, Pampered Chef stoneware takes out all of the badness from the food and just leaves the goodness, so that's why I really like it. And Pampered Chef used to be in the UK, I don't think they are any longer. I think they may still be in America, so if you're watching from America you might be able to still get stoneware if you're interested. But I know Amazon do sell it as well. I don't think personally it's as good as the Pampered Chef stoneware, but it's good enough, I'd say. So I'm just adding some potatoes around the outside because I'm going to cook my potatoes at the same time as I cook the chicken. In the original recipe I don't think I said to do this. So yes, I'm just going to add a little bit of oil to the potatoes, and I'm just going to get my oven gloves. So I'm just going to toss the potatoes in the oil like so. There's quite enough oil in there, and I preheated the baking tray as well, so hopefully the potatoes will brown off really nicely. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the chicken in with the potatoes as well. And I'm just going to go and wash my hands now. So everything is in my baking tray, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the chicken, you can put a skewer in and the juices will run clear, so that's when you'll know it's cooked. I may leave the potatoes in for a bit longer just to let them brown off a bit, but I'll definitely take the chicken out after about 25 to 30 minutes. As you can see, the chicken looks cooked, but I'm just going to put a skewer in, and if the juices run clear when the skewer comes out, then it's cooked. No juices at the moment. I'll just try around here. Let's try this bit. No juices. Come on, juices. Trying to find a bit where there isn't any Parma ham. Yeah, the juices have run clear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the chicken out. I'm going to leave the potatoes in for a bit longer because they need to brown a bit more. So yes, the chicken is cooked. So I'm going to take it out and leave it to rest now. The chicken has finished resting, so I'm going to carve it up now, and I'll try a little piece before I then serve the rest of the dinner. It's really juicy and really, oh, look at that, it's really juicy. Beautifully cooked as well, so I'm really pleased. Yep, and I think I'm just going to try a little bit on the end here, just to see what it tastes like. You can definitely taste the garlic and the butter and the rosemary and the Parma ham as well. All mixed together, it's super tasty. Looking forward to that for my lunch now. That's how you make my delicious roast chicken wrapped in Parma ham with garlic and rosemary butter, and that recipe I will link in the description box below for you. As I mentioned earlier, I'm off to have this for my lunch now, and it smells so good, I can't wait. So for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.